How to check time spent on Facebook. So if you want to check your time that you spent on your Facebook app, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And after opening, you can go to the upper right corner which has a 3-bar icon, and then scroll down and head over to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, again tap on settings. Now before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here if you scroll down, you will have preferences option. You can simply go to the preferences, and under preferences you will have your time on Facebook. You can simply tap on that, and here if you scroll down, you will have 4 options: see your time, manage your time, or get more from your time, or control your notification. So if you want to check your time that you spent on your Facebook, then you can go to see your time and tap on see time. So you can check your time spent on Facebook for about a week. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.